Hi everyone. Today I will discuss about the topic is PLDs. What is PLDs? PLDs means programmable logic devices. Programmable logic devices, simply called PLDs. Okay, programmable logic devices. Here the PLDs are consists of AND arrays and OR arrays. Here array is, what is an array? Array is group of logic gates is called the array. In this PLDs we are using the arrays of AND gates, and next one is the arrays of OR gates. Okay, arrays of AND gates and OR gates. What is an array? Array is group of logic gates. Here PLDs are classified into three types. PLDs are classified into three types. First one is the PROM, and second one is the PAL, and third one is the PLA. Okay, coming to the first one. First one is PROM. The abbreviation is programmable read-only memory. Programmable read only memory. Programmable read only memory. And second one is the PAL, programmable array logic. This is PAL, and third one is the PLA, that is programmable logic array. This is PLA, programmable logic array. In this we are using the AND arrays and OR arrays. Okay, coming to the programmable read-only memory, simply called PROM. Here, what is ROM? ROM is a read-only memory. Read-only memory, it is a permanent storage memory. It stores the binary information. They cannot change the information. So, that's why ROM is the permanent memory. Coming to the PROM, first we draw the block diagram of PROM. Here we are using the 2 power n number of input lines, inputs, and produces the m number of output lines. Okay, in here we are using the decoders, n by 2 power of n. Here we are using the decoders. Okay, that is n is 2 power of n. Here coming to the block diagram of PROM. Block diagram of PROM. Here this is block diagram. Here we are using the AND arrays and OR arrays. AND arrays and OR arrays. N number of input lines and produces the m number of output lines. Number of output lines. Here end arrays are fixed. End arrays are fixed. Here we are using the decoder, and this is OR arrays. In OR arrays, this is programmable. This is connection lines. This is the block diagram of PROM. N number of input lines and produces the M number of output lines. This is the basic diagram for PROM. Okay. Next, see the PAL. Coming to the PAL. What is PAL? Here programmable array logic. Here A is end array. We are using the end array. Okay. Coming to the block diagram. Block diagram of PAL. Block diagram of PAL. Here we are, in this also we are using the end arrays and OR arrays. Okay. Here the end arrays are programmed and OR arrays are fixed here. This is end and this is OR. Okay. And this is end arrays are programmable and OR arrays are fixed. And OR arrays are fixed. Here also we are using the n input lines. N number of input lines produces the m number of output lines. M number of output lines. This is the basic structure of PAL, programmable array logic. Here A means end array. Here we are using the A is end arrays. End arrays are programmable. So that's why the name is programmable array logic. This is the basic block diagram. And next, see the PLA. Okay. And next, see the PLA. What is PLA? Programmable logic array. Here logic means and OR. Programmable logic array, simply called PLA. Okay. In PLA, it consists of both end arrays and OR arrays. Both are programmable in this. So that's why it is called PLA, programmable logic array. Here both end arrays and OR arrays, both are programmable. Okay, let us see the basic diagram. Here also we give the n number of input lines. N number of input lines. Okay, this is end array. End array is programmable. And this is connected with OR array. or arrays are programmable and produces the m number of output lines. Okay, మనకి in programmable logic array, here programmable logic array PLA, logic means end and or. Okay, in name is PLA, logic means end and or, both are programmable. Okay, coming to the second one is the PAL, programmable array logic. Array means end array. Which array here used? End array. End arrays are programmable. That's why here end arrays are programmable and or arrays are fixed. Coming to the PLA, both end arrays and or arrays both are programmable. Here also a number of input lines and produces the m number of output lines. Okay.